I'll show you which is better, Capital One or Chase. Now, it depends again on what you want, right? So for Chase, you can see no impact, no worries. If check if you're pre-approved for cards offer with no impact to your credit score. It's for saving, and you can also find a card that you love. You can see this is what Capital One looks like here, right? It's pretty simple. Now, if we go to Chase here, you can see the UI is much better here. Now, you can see choose what's better for you. Chase offers a couple of things like business credit cards, checking, travel, savings, home loans, auto, a lot, right? I think they do mortgages as well. So you can see you can earn a $200 bonus, and you don't go on it alone. There is a JP Morgan here, private client advisor. You can earn up to $500 as well for business checking. And for new Chase customer, you can enjoy $100 and a commission-free online trades plus a bonus. Now, the thing that for me that sets both of these apart is that Capital One doesn't have monthly fees. Well, it does, but it's only on a very few select account. But most of the things that you open, like most of account you open on Capital One, won't have monthly charges. And the online packing is pretty solid, and the mobile app is pretty solid as well. But the downside of Capital One is that there's no physical branch, or there's very few physical branch. Instead, with Chase, if you want a full banking experience, go with Chase. But of course, there will be monthly fees, but that doesn't mean it's less than Capital One. The online banking is still pretty solid, and I think Chase has a lot more branches than Capital One. So if you want something for only online banking, and you want something light, then go with Capital One. But if you want a more full banking experience, then go with Chase. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.